Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So the topic for today's video is how to build self-confidence. Now everybody loves a person who is self-confident, and confidence is something which you carry with you everywhere. We always look up to a person who is a man or a woman full of confidence. This is one of the most highly requested videos, and that's why I thought that I should do this as soon as I can. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Self-confident people seem to be at ease with themselves and with their work. So confidence is not something which you can learn. Confidence is something which is a belief in yourself. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in what you do, if you believe that you're good at something, if you're at ease with your body, with your mind, with your state of well-being, then confidence comes naturally to you. So this is something which you have to make yourself believe in rather than learning. And also our confidence in ourselves can increase or decrease with a particular task or in a particular situation. You can't actually measure confidence, So I will be sharing with you a few tips and tricks as to how you can try to become more confident. So the number one way is planning and preparation. Now, if you are new in a situation or if you are unprepared for a situation, then you may feel that you are not that confident, and that may reflect on your actions. But if you are fully prepared for a situation and you are not at all nervous and you are complete ease with the situation, then it becomes much more easier and you feel much more comfortable. You feel that you are super confident. So try to plan ahead. Try to prepare yourself for the situation that you are in if you can. Try to research and try to think about what you should do and how to deal with the situation that you are going to be. But of course, not always it's possible, I know. So, but still, you can try and prepare and plan ahead. So that is the first tip that I want to give you. Number two is look at what you have already achieved. Now keep a list with yourself and write down the things that you have already achieved. That helps a lot. Believe me, that helps a lot. Keep the list to yourself and keep on adding the things that you have achieved so far, the awesome things that you have done. We have all done so many things that we should be proud of, and by seeing and looking at the list, you will feel super confident and super proud of yourself, which will add on to your confidence and which will improve your confidence. So always remember the things that you have already done and achieved in life. We have we all have done something good in life, and we have all achieved many things, be it small, be it large, but always remember that you can do that, and everything is possible. So be super confident about yourself. Remember and remind yourself that you have done so many good things. You have achieved so much and you're always proud of yourself. Like naturally, self-confidence will, come inside you. So always remember that. Number three is positive thoughts. Positive thought is a very good way to boost your moral. Self-talk can help you to be positive, and positivity can bring about a lot of change in your attitude. A positive attitude, self-confident attitude. And if you can make yourself believe that yes, I can do this, and be positive about it, then you are able to do that, and that will bring about a confidence in you which everyone can see. So be confident, be positive in your outlook, and talk to yourself. That helps a lot. It helps a lot for me. Whenever I'm nervous, I always talk to myself. I always think that yes, I am able to do this, I'll be able to do this. If you believe in yourself, then you can do it. Believe me. Just be positive, just talk to yourself, and you'll be good to go. The fourth trick is find yourself a confident role model. Now we always look up to a person who is super confident and who is at ease with himself and with the situation. So always try to imitate a person who is confident. Look up to him as a role model and treat him, and always observe that how he or she is behaving when being confident, and try to imitate the things that they are doing. Try to inculcate them within yourself. Eventually you will get that within yourself because you look up to him or her. So treat them as your role model, and if possible then please go and talk to them and discuss about how they have become so confident over years. I'm sure they also needed some time to be confident, because confidence is something which doesn't come in a day. You have to actually be patient about it and try and improve yourself. So yeah. And the fifth and the last tip is try to be calm. When you are super confident about a situation or a task, then you feel a kind of calmness within yourself. And when you are not sure about the situation and you are in a chaotic state of mind, then you become more nervous and stressed. So try to be calm and try to remain calm even in situations which are out of your control. Try to tackle situations in whichever way you can, but by being calm. So that will bring about a level of confidence within you, because if you are chaotic yourself or if you are nervous or stressed out, then that doesn't help. But if you try to remain calm, then you will feel a sense of positivity, a sense of confidence in yourself, which will help to solve the problems. So try and remain calm even in tougher situations. So these are the few tips and tricks that I use and I have always tried and improved in being more confident. I won't say that I'm very confident in all the situations. I'm also trying out these tips, but I wanted to share this with you. So that's it for this video. Hope this video helped a little, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also stay tuned in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.